Hey there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to zoom in and out messages on Samsung S25 Ultra or S25. Now you just need to go to the messages application that are already default on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or S25, or you can also use the messaging application that are from Google. So I'm going to use this default application from here. Now simply you can use a zoom in or zoom out gesture on your message conversation. You can just scroll, you can just place your finger like this, and you can spread your finger to zoom it in like this. And if you just decrease or this size, if you want to decrease size, then you just need to move this your fingers like this. Now you can find a parameter from here in percentage that are showing you how much zooming you are doing on this conversation, how much zoom has applied in this conversation. So that's how you can just zoom out and zoom in messages on a conversation on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or S25. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.